Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management. The question is, can I learn to say no 3 times? Kit, I'm a person who likes to help others. I'm helpful. I'm a good guy. I say yes to all good causes. I say yes to friends that ask favors. I say yes to coworkers' requests. But it's becoming a little too much. Should I stop saying yes, or do I dare say no? Well, I would suggest that you learn to say no 3 times. Of course, we want to be nice and we want to be liked. Unfortunately, that could cause us to spend so much time doing things for others that we won't have time for our own priorities. Learning to say no is an important part of simplifying your life and managing your time. The key is to learn to say no 3 times, because even the best salespeople rarely close 4 times. When you say no to a new commitment, you're honoring your existing obligations. It gives you time to focus on what you believe is the best use of your time. Saying yes all of the time will exhaust you. Saying yes may avoid an awkward moment now, but over time you may become angry, resentful, overextended, and stressed because you will start to feel people are taking advantage of you. Practice simply saying no and giving the reason, such as, I'm working on the project that will take the rest of the day. When they say, but you like doing things like this, say no and give the same reason. I'm working on a project that will take the rest of the day. When they try again and say, could you take a look at it? Say, no, I'm working on a project that will take the rest of the day. They will probably leave you alone and let you work on that project for the rest of the day. It may seem easier to say yes, but in the long run, you will realize that you have lost control of your life. If your answer is always yes, then your choices are not yours. They're provided to you by others. I get it. I'm going to say yes to no. I'm going to say no to yes. Does that make any sense? Anyway, I will use more judicial restraint in a way. When considering requests from others and practicing, I'm going to practice saying no 3 times. Yeah, practice. Hey, ask me to do something for you. I dare you. Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, can I learn to say no 3 times? It is a great personality trait to be helpful. However, try not to get pulled into requests that are distractions that jeopardize your priorities and values. If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work.